today? 2. Here you 2?
2. Yeah.
So this is Tunny at 7 weeks. I've always been very little. Ain't much, guys. I am so excited today because today is my first sonogram. No. 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 You want to try some soup? No?
Alright, okay, here we go. Hey, don't get started. Hey. Hey, go ahead. Hey. Wow. Hey, you really like it? Okay, take it out.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Hey. Hey, go. Hey. Hey, 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa! He tried to run from the fire, boy.
Cassius, look how cool that is. You trying to use the chopstick? You guys doing alright?
Got Uncle I out here.
Uncle I.
Uncle Zay.
Hey. Sake.
Suck it?
You gotta open your mouth,
Yeah,
bro.
open the mouth.
Alright, yo, put this on YouTube. I'm beating yo.
Okay, I won't. I lied.
Sake.
Oh, suck it!
Okay, why not? Hey, go, hey.
Is it nasty?
Nah, it tastes fine. It's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Hey. Hey, go. Sake, go. Hey, good job.
It ain't that bad.
Okay, baby sake. Hey. How about that? Hey, okay, and then
Yeah, I think it got me.
It's okay.
hey, healthy veggie. Hey, thank you.
Filet mignon.
Hey.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is
That was great.
Good job. Hey, good job.
You got the filet mignon, chicken, shrimp, veggies, rice, and my crybaby. Alright, Cassius, you ready to swim? Yeah, boy. Wait. right, YouTube, I'll be back. We spent like 3 hours there. We're out of here. He had a great birthday. He's just tired. He's gonna go to sleep and decor.